You launched your dropshipping store, ran some ads, even got a few sales, but your profit pretty much gone. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. In fact, most stores don't fail because of bad products. They fail because of hidden supplier problems that nobody talks about. Let me show you exactly why your store isn't profitable and how you can fix it today. Now, there's 3 mistakes that most dropshippers make that cause their stores to fail. So let's break down each one. Mistake number 1 is relying on AliExpress. Everyone tells beginners to start with AliExpress. Yes, it's easy, but that convenience comes at a cost. You see, you have inconsistent product quality as well as long shipping times, which will lead to countless refunds from your customers. Not to mention, this gives your brand a bad image and nobody's gonna buy from you again. So it's very hard to build repeat customers when you're depending on AliExpress suppliers. Once you find and validate a winning product, you need to move on and find a private supplier or start holding your own inventory. Mistake number 2, your pricing is way too high. Everybody's telling you there's some magic formula to calculate your profit margins and how much to sell your products for. But the point is, if you're selling them too high, nobody's gonna buy from you, no matter how well you brand them. And you think you're getting cheap products from AliExpress, but the markup is actually much higher than you think it is. Because most AliExpress suppliers aren't actual manufacturers. They're simply middlemen that are sourcing your products from somewhere else and keeping the profit. And when you're running a dropshipping business, you're already the middleman between your manufacturer and your customer. So you want to keep this process as simple as possible. And there's sourcing websites like 1688 where you can get products much cheaper, but they're harder to access without an agent. So typically you need your own dropshipping agent if you want to go through these suppliers. So you'll want to find an agent or a private supplier that can reach out to these manufacturers for you, source your products for much cheaper, and send them directly to your customers. And there's many services that can do all of this for you. We'll get into that in just a moment. But that leads me into my next point. Mistake number 3, you have no branding. No branding on your website means no trust from your customers. They know they're getting cheap products from websites like AliExpress, and because of this, you're not able to charge more, and you lose return customers. So you really want to build a brand around every product you sell. Put your logo on your product, on your packaging, create custom thank you cards, and get people excited about your products. So now let's talk about a solution for all of these problems and what's actually working in 2025. Because everybody's saying that dropshipping is dead, but it's simply changing. And if you want to make money, you have to adapt. So you'll definitely want to find a private supplier when you start building momentum and making sales every single day on your business. When I made the switch to a private supplier, everything changed. I just started using a platform on one of my own businesses called TeemDrop, and they let me source directly from 1688 and Taobao, where prices are way cheaper than AliExpress. They do complete quality inspection on every single product, and I've been getting 5 to 10 day delivery to the US, UK, and Australia. There's no subscription fees, one-click connection to your Shopify store, and they even offer print on demand if you want to sell branded stuff. So let's log in and source a product on TeemDrop and then compare it to AliExpress. And I'll show you why this platform is much better. All right, so when you first log into TeemDrop, you're taken to this page right here. To connect your Shopify store, you're gonna go over here to where it says Store Management. You're gonna click Authorize Store, and you're gonna click on this purple Add Store button right up here. You're gonna select Shopify, you're gonna click Authorize, and you're gonna download TeemDrop right on your Shopify store. It's that simple to get started. We can go back to the home page, and you guys can source products directly on 1688, Taobao, or products directly offered from TeemDrop. You can sort these products by different niches depending on what you're selling, or you can just scroll through this list right here. So one example I always refer to is the pet niche, because it's a very profitable niche and it's very easy to get started in for beginners. So this is a popular pet product right here, this dog foot cleaner. We'll open that up and you can see we're sourcing this product for $1.73, and there's no MOQ. We have 4 different color options, 3 different sizing options. So pay attention to the details down here. We're getting 8 to 18 day shipping to the United States for $7.03. So including shipping, we're sourcing this product right here for $8.76. And you can list it to your own Shopify store in one click with this button right here. You'll select your store, you'll give it a title, add some tags, you can edit the variants, the images and videos, as well as the description, and then go ahead and list it. But if you are sourcing this exact same product on AliExpress, if we look over here, you're getting it for $20.10 before shipping, and there's only 7 units sold. Let's take a look at the Supplier. And the Supplier started just a couple of months ago. So the chances of this product arriving at your customer's doorstep are slim to none. But going back to TeemDrop, we have so many different shipping options over here if you want to speed it up a little bit. Like you can offer expedited shipping options on your website for an upgrade, and TeemDrop can meet those demands. Let's go ahead and source another product from TeemDrop. You guys see this pet snuffle mat right here? This was another popular dropshipping product right now. You can see that we're getting it for $3.02. You're getting it shipped for $7.34 for a total of $10.36 out the door. Whereas if we were sourcing it on AliExpress, we're getting it for $16.31, and that's already 42% off, and that's all before shipping. Not to mention that these products can take up to 30 days to arrive. Whereas with TeemDrop, they're getting delivered within a week in most cases. So you guys can already see the difference that a private supplier can make for your business. And it goes without saying that this is a major upgrade from AliExpress. On AliExpress, you're paying 3 or 4 times as much for the same products, and they take like a month to arrive, if they even get there at all. But with a private supplier, you can source high quality products much cheaper. You can build a brand feel by putting your logo on your products, and you can ensure there's no issues down the line when you're depending on a high quality supplier like this. This saves you headaches, frustration, and lets you focus on what really matters: making sales for your business. As a business owner, you shouldn't be dealing with customer service or order fulfillment. You should be focused on growing your business, and TeemDrop can help you do just that. Like I mentioned, I just started using TeemDrop recently on some of my own stores, so I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you're interested. Go ahead and check them out and see what they can do for your business. So if your store isn't profitable right now, it's probably not your ads, it's your supplier. Make the switch and test a better system today. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for TeemDrop down below. Go check them out. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.